Key players in a City Hall corruption and bribery scandal involving former Oakland Mayor Sheng Tao were back in court today. And we're now getting a better idea of the timeline for the looming trial. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Dan Ashley.
And I'm Ama Dates. It was a grueling 3 hours in federal court today for the FBI case against former Oakland Mayor Sheng Tao and others.
Yeah, the prosecution and defense arguing over what and how much of evidence the jury should see and hear.
ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Dan Noyes is here with the latest on the trial that's set to start in just 2 months.
Ama and Dan, there is so much evidence in this case. Secret cell phone videos, text messages, massive computer files, and more. The judge thought they could get the trial done in 5 weeks, but now it's looking more like 6.
David Duong, the owner of the recycling company serving Oakland and parts of San Jose, California Waste Solutions, walked into federal court with his son Andy, seeing the mountain of evidence against them. They're accused of engaging in a bribery and corruption scheme with former Mayor Sheng Tao and her partner Andre Jones. The prosecution introduced a list of more than 1,700 exhibits, but today Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers told them to pare it down to 300. She later eased up and allowed 500 items. Does that surprise you that she's going to limit them that much?
Well, the court has to recognize that this trial can't go on forever.
Former prosecutor Stephen Clark is now a legal analyst.
What the court is saying to the government is this evidence needs to be pared down, go back to the drawing board, come back with a more realistic evidence list as well as potential witness list.
The Duongs had a side business, Evolutionary Homes, that turned shipping containers into shelter for the homeless. They're accused of bribing Tao and giving her partner a no-show job and promising a percentage of every $300,000 container home purchased by the city of Oakland. The Duongs' partner in Evolutionary Homes, Mario Juarez, already pled guilty in the case and will testify for the prosecution, as will former San Leandro council member Brian Azevedo. I interviewed him last year before his indictment in the federal corruption and bribery case.
Was there some arrangement between you and the Duongs in terms of, we'll give you a percentage if you sell X number of units?
I don't remember nothing, no.
Now he's admitted accepting a $2,000 bribe and conspiring to help the Duongs sell the container homes to the city. They never did. Also today, the judge ruled that cell phone videos referring to reported sexual activity by Azevedo and others during a Duong-sponsored trade mission to Vietnam will not be part of this case.
The salacious nature of some of this evidence has a chance of having a spillover effect on the defendants that don't have anything to do with it.
The judge did allow the defense to exclude evidence that Sheng Tao and her partner Andre Jones falsified a lease for the Oakland Hills home by faking his current employment and salary. Now, Judge Gonzalez-Rogers is asking all sides in the case to meet and confer to streamline the evidence to be heard on their own before she gets further involved. Dan, Ama.
And the trial again in about 2 months' time?
Exactly, about 2 months and about 6 weeks it's looking like.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dan.
Thanks.